Hello YouTube. Today I will show you some acceleration under load. I have done a few test runs and I have noticed that if I increase the load of the generator, the RPM and the power consumption of this diesel motor increases. It increases up to the point when we have full load, the coils are shorted out. At that point, the power consumption and RPM is almost identical as if we have no cores mounted at all. So at maximum load is it as if the rotor just doesn't see the load at all. So that feels promising. So my current setup is in a little bit mess. Originally I have planned to mount the cores in these brackets, but they just broke, so I have to rethink that. So right now I just put the core in the generator and hope that it will stay there. As a motor controller for the diesel motor, I use my power supply. I have set the voltage limiter to 14 volts right now, and current limit is 7 ampere. And I also have the power consumption, the wattage on the display. The oscilloscope is set to 500 volts per division. 500 volts, and that's because these coils are all too high voltage, and that is not the optimal thing. So next coils that I will make will be a high current version, and also I will have a solid core, not a core built by ferrite pieces like this. What more? I have a tachymeter to check the speed. So what I will show you first how the generator runs with this 2 watts 240 volts load, and that's a small load, 2 watts load, and the RPM, the speed, will stabilize at about 400 RPM. And at that point I will short out the coils and we will see what happens. Yes, and also I have an amp meter here, so we can check the current drawing, how much current we are drawing. Okay, we start this machine now. We have some light. And the slow acceleration. We have almost 1000 volts peak voltage. And increasing. Yes, 1000 volts. And power consumption is 38 speed increases very slowly now. It's quite stable. So now I will shorter coils. Accelerating 1000. Increasing 1800. Actually, now I'm thinking it's a little bit faster than the unload running with no core at all. Strange. I think you get the point. It accelerates even if it's slow acceleration. So now I will remove the shorting. it's time to turn off. Okay, bye for now, bye bye.